Okay, I will draw the enemy for all of you to learn with me. Okay, this is the head, and here's alright, and here we are in the glass. Okay, the glass will be like this. Okay, and his face. Okay, and the nose from here. And his mouth. Alright, okay. And his ear. Okay, and his neck. And the dress. Okay. Nice. Okay. Right. Okay. And we add some more hairs here. And also we put the glass for them. So the glass we can with the black colors like this. And the hair I can put this yellow colors. Okay, and with the glass would be I put more black. I put some more grays here. I don't have black color, so I just put this color. Alright, and also with his here, the dress. This is the character of the enemy. So I'm just put the tutorial. I'm just drawing for our other channel and the video. Okay, let's learn with me. Alright, and his skin I put like this skin. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, everyone.